Investing is most frustrating when you are trying to make your first 10 lakhs. You invest 10,000 rupees every month. You look at your portfolio after 1 year. You see invested 1.2 lakhs and a small profit. It is slow. You want to get out. It happens to everybody. The math of compounding proves the beginning is always a struggle. Today, I will show you exactly how the numbers work. Once you cross this invisible threshold, your money grows much faster. Follow the plan. Let's consider a 10,000 rupees monthly systematic investment plan. Assume a return of 12% per year. It takes about 6 years to hit your first 10 lakhs. You put in a total of 7.2 lakhs from your pocket. You will only get back 2.8 lakhs. You wait 6 years. At this point, most beginners give up. They stop sipping. They believe the stock market is a scam. They don't see what comes next. This milestone changes the math completely. You made your first 10 lakhs in almost 6 years. It takes much less time to get to the next 10 lakhs. To go from 10 lakhs to 20 lakhs, you just wait for 3.5 years. Your money is working for you now. You keep investing 10,000 rupees every month. But now your existing 10 lakhs will generate return for itself. 10 lakhs returns 1.2 lakhs at 12% in 1 year. Your interest is earning interest. It speeds up the whole thing. Your money goes further. It just takes 2.5 more years to reach 30 lakhs, to achieve 40 lakhs in less than 2 years. Here's the timeline. It took almost 70 months to go from 0 to 10 lakhs. 17 months time span from 40 lakhs to 50 lakhs. You don't modify the investment amount. You just let the math work on long enough. Big results need a big base amount to compound from. Your first struggle creates that base. Your total investment in 10 years is 12 lakhs. Your portfolio is worth approximately 23 lakhs. You almost double your wealth. If you quit at year 4, you walked away with peanuts. Those who become rich through mutual funds do not earn high salaries. They just sit through the tough first part. They put the first 10 lakhs to work for them. After that, time does more work than your monthly deposits do.
Achieve your first 10 lakhs even quicker. You have a step-up SIP. You start earning $10,000 per month. Every year, you increase your monthly investment by 10%. You invest $11,000 every month in year 2. Year 3, you invest $12,100. This one change reduces the amount of time you have to wait. You achieve 10 lakhs in less than 5 years instead of 6. You've robbed a whole year of the hardest part of wealth creation. It's a fatal mistake many investors make. They take out money when they have 5 lakhs or 8 lakhs. They buy a new car, they buy a journey. This resets the math back to 0. You have to go through the toughest phase again. Don't touch your equity mutual funds for short-term spending. Have a separate emergency fund in fixed deposit. Don't mess with your wealth creation portfolio. Protect your base capital so the compounding motor keeps turning. Your only goal right now is to reach that first 10 lakhs. Forget the daily market news. Don't sweat the small drops in your portfolio value. Invest $10,000 SIP in Nifty 50 index fund. Set an annual step-up of 10%. If you're checking your broker app too often, delete it. Run the system for 6 years. You'll want to invest forever once you see the math work for yourself. Begin your SIP today.